Welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's get into it. Number 1. Puzzle solving gameplays. Record gameplay of puzzle solving games. And add voiceover commentary. Just imagine yourself playing video games that are like giant puzzles. You'll use your brain to solve tricky riddles, find hidden clues, and unravel mysteries within the game. It's like being a detective in a virtual world, and you get to share your exciting discoveries with everyone watching. Number 2. DIY science experiments. You can replicate simple science experiments with stock footage and voice explanations. Have you ever wondered how things work? With DIY science experiments, you become a little scientist at home. Just follow simple steps to mix ingredients and create colorful reactions. Like making a volcano erupt, or a rainbow in a jar. These experiments are like magic tricks, but you're the magician. Number 3. Ancient mythology retold. Retelling ancient myths and legends using royalty-free artwork and animations. Imagine stepping into stories from long, long ago, when people believed in powerful gods, heroic warriors, and magical creatures. You'll listen to these ancient tales and then retell them using your own words. It's like sharing fantastic bedtime stories from a different time. Number 4. Virtual treasure hunts. Creating virtual treasure hunts with clues and stock images or videos. Think of a treasure hunt, but on the internet. You'll give people clues or riddles, and they'll search online to find hidden treasures, like pictures or informational objects. It's a fun challenge that takes people on a digital adventure, solving puzzles to find the hidden gems. And finally, number 5. Internet mystery investigations. Investigating internet mysteries using screencasts and voice narration. Have you ever wondered about strange things on the internet? With internet mystery investigations, you become a detective online. You'll explore puzzling stories, strange pictures, and mysterious websites. Then, you'll use your detective skills to figure out what's real and what's just a fake. Well, this is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.